Hi, welcome to product review of F99 AULA keyboard. Let's unbox. I'm unboxing this. So I think this little bit damaged during the shipping. Okay, let's hope for the best and let's open. So some manuals. Okay, and this is the actual keyboard layout. So it has till F12 and some numpad and etc. And let's open this keyboard. Okay, let's see how it is. Oh, it has some protective case. I think this is not useful. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's very heavy and sturdy. It has some wireless type C, etc. Okay. It has some this. Actually, this is unboxing. Let's see what is inside the box. Inside the box we have this and keyboard plugger. So like we can take the keyboard. Then some switches are there, and we have charging cable, I guess. And yeah, that's it. Nothing else in the keyboard. Yeah, this is. Let's hear the sound. Yeah, this is very cool and it's very heavy. Okay, let's meet for the review of this. This is the unboxing.